Looks good. I don't see enough holes for the cans yet.
Okay, well you haven't been watching my video, I guess. Yeah.
Well, I have some.
Okay.
You want power, you just turn a switch.
See that? Don't turn that. See that little nut? It's got threads on there. And that threaded up on the back side of that. See, that's a fitting that gets screwed into that flexible conduit. You just, you want to put that in, you put it in and you tighten it up and it screws right in there. If you want it out, you unscrew it. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see if I can get it out. I don't need to get it out, but I'm just doing it to show you. You can take that.
You can use that for next.
You can reuse it if you want.
Reuse it for the next one.
See, unscrew that like that.
Yeah.
Pull that off. As you put it back in, you put it in. You have to screw it. There's little nibs on here, kind of like threads.
Yeah.
Okay.
Continue.
Okay, so.
Hey.
Let's see, like that.
Looking at your lights.
See, that goes on the other side, and you tighten that up inside the junction box up there.
You just gotta have some.
First, you screw that into your flex, and then you put it through the hole, boom, up into that junction box, and then you screw that back on there. And you tighten it up. That's why I use my screwdriver to just tap on one of those nibs, tap, tap, loosen it up, then I could unscrew it. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. We're about ready to take this other light fixture down.
I got a call on my.
Okay.
Not yet.
So, in order to get this down, I've got to take this flexi out first.
My phone. Usually
There's a little bracket here.
It didn't tell me who called.
Oh, it looks like they put it in with a molly bolt.
I got a message.
And you have to pull that down. You see, it's just spinning on the back side. You get a molly up there, like tight. You can screw and screw all day long. Nothing's going to happen until you pull it down, get some pressure on it, start pulling. Okay, if this flex fits in that little bracket like that, see? Okay, so if I hang on to this on the back side and just keep constant pressure on there, then I can unscrew this. And they couldn't find a stud. They had to mount it up there somehow. Right? Boy, that's going to take a little bit just to undo that. If I get it out far enough, now I can hold that up there, pull down on it, and unscrew it. Okay.
I carried it in case by the time I got it out of my pocket, it quit.
Look how long that is.
I could breathe.
I still can't get it. And the end is a spring-loaded deal that fits on both sides of the sheetrock. When you take it out, you just leave that other piece up in the ceiling. Okay. Oh, see how long that was? And push it up there, and then it spring loads, pops, and then down, and then you pull pressure, and then tighten it up, and it zips on back up.
Price is right.
So that's how you take one of those off.
Yep.
Now, incidentally, these brackets, these different brackets that I'm taking down, and the ends and stuff, you can reuse some of that stuff. You can. I'm going to look at this and see where the other screws are. Oh, there they are. I can take that one down and know it's not going to fall down. They only used 1¼ sheetrock screws on that too, and they use fine thread sheetrock screws. They should have used coarse thread because they went into wood, and this threaded bit is only going in there maybe 3/4 of an inch or so, maybe a little bit more. Yeah. And if you do it too hard, you could spin it out. You want to make sure when you mount something, it's not going to come down on you.
You're trying to spin it out.
No, when you tighten it up. See, but they held. It's just I wouldn't install it that way.
They're
All right, take her on down, just like that. Is the inspector alive and well? Yes, he is still here, making sure I do a proper job. He's always trying to look out for my safety. Thanks again,
proper
Pops.
so far, good.
Yeah.
It's good so far, same thing.
Thank you.